Okay, Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Naqib bin Abdul Razak and my ID is AA16113. My supervisor name is Prof. Madya Dr. Ahmad Tarmizi bin Harun. So today I will be presenting about my final year project titled The Implementation of Building Information Modeling for Underground Utilities. So this is the outline for my presentation. First, the introduction, literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. So I started with my introduction. Underground utilities is one of the important infrastructure, especially for the urban environment, because there are a lot of different type of utilities that have been buried underground, such as power cable, telecommunication cable, low voltage cable, water pipe, and gas pipe. Okay. As the amount of utilities increase, the demand for the services for the utilities is also increased. However, these utilities have poor management of record because they are usually kept in a 2D CAD drawing. The 2D CAD drawing have the limited capability to show the real exact location of the underground utilities. This may bring consequences during the construction process. And this research will be about the development of 3D model design from the 2D CAD drawing. Okay. So next, for the problem statement. First is the lack of the visualization because 2D CAD drawing have only one view range, which is the plan view. This is difficult to identify the problem during the inspection. So next, the poor management of underground utilities in risk analysis, clash detection, and proposal planning for the new installment of the underground utilities. So I will proceed with the objective. The objective of the research is to develop a 3D model design from the 2D CAD drawing. And next is to improve the management of the underground utilities in risk analysis, clash detection, and proposal planning for the new installment. The scope of study is at Kajang, Selangor. The data collection for the underground utilities is taken by the Company of Underground Utilities Detection and Mapping, which is the ARZ Services Sdn Bhd, for the project of Dak Sinya Sdn Bhd. This model is not for the use for the project of the Dak Sinya Sdn Bhd, and this project is focused more on the location of the existing underground utilities. The significant study is we can improve the management of the underground utilities, reduce the costs and consequences during the construction that involve the excavation process. So next, this is my literature review that I used to study for my preparation for my FYP and also for my presentation. Okay, for the methodology, there are 3 phases to achieve the objective of this research. First is the data collection phase, where the detection of underground utilities by using modern technologies like ground penetrating radar (GPR) and electromagnetic locator (EML) to identify the location of the utilities and also its depth. Okay, to identify what type of utilities that beneath the ground is by identifying the exposed like water pipe exposed, any marking, and also the power box. Okay, the detected underground utilities will be marked based on the type of utilities and also the depth of the utilities. The data will be taken and also the object of surrounding will be taken by using the total station TOCON, and it will convert into a notepad form. Okay, then we proceed to phase 2, which is the data analysis. the data from the notepad form will be converted into a 2D CAD drawing by using 3D software system. Then the converted data will be validated with the topography and modify its relation based on topography, then produce the 2D CAD drawing. And we will reach the phase 3, which is the data process. From the 2D CAD drawing will be converted into the 3D model design by using BIM technologies, which is the Revit software. The 3D model have included the details, properties of underground utilities and also the environment of the project site, such as signboard, trees, fences and on. Okay, so for the expected outcome to develop the 3D model design to provide better visualization and the benefit of BIM, which improve the management of underground utility. Okay, this is the result of the developed 3D model design from the 2D CAD drawing. Okay, the 3D model, the underground utilities model, the view of cross-section at change 200. So, the model can be visualized from different type of angle and view. BIM technology can have provide better visualization because why? Because BIM have the capability to take care the data semantic quality with data and texture image by insert the properties of the object. So these are the 3D display of each object. First, it is the HDPE power cable, PVC telecommunication cable, light rod, PVC low voltage connected with the light rod, the cast iron water pipe with a diameter of 150 mm, and the plant. Okay, so with the 3D visualization, it can increase the level of management for the underground utilities, and it can visualize the data for planning and design purpose, utilize data, risk analysis and clash detection. Okay, with the various tools in the BIM technologies, it can create an efficient plan for the new proposal planning and also to detect any clash for the underground utilities. Okay, this is the tools used to detect the underground utilities, and the result is shown for the existing of the underground utilities. In this research, underground utilities have developed into a 3D model design and have shown that it can provide more capabilities in visualization compared to the 2D CAD drawing that have limited visualization. So besides that, BIM process have shown that it can improve the management and analyze of underground utilities, as it can assess and utilize the obtained information to perform risk analysis and clash detection. The 3D model can also be added as the planning, construction and future operational, such as the maintenance. So next, for the recommendation, I would really recommend to identify the Z value of the location to provide better elevation and shape of the land surface. And next is to design an integrated 3D BIM GIS model to provide 3D scene model that include 3D building and also the 3D model that can improve the data storage and also to have the accurate georeferencing. So that's all. Thank you.